Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Wolframite in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for making tungsten and producing things like tungsten carbide, from which you can make drills and other things. So first of all, to begin, Wolframite can be found on two planets, and one of which is Moon, Disalo, where it can be found inside of caves, and the second one is Keldor, where it can be found inside of mountains. The better option is to be inside of caves, because there are bigger deposits of Wolframite in caves. So, first of all, just search up a cave and go around it, and you should find these kind of cubes with a green yellowish color. And when you aim at them with your mining tool, it should say Wolframite. So just go ahead and pick it up, just like this. And when you hear a ping, this means that you've collected one piece of Wolframite. So this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.